Okay, what can you do with those little tiny beads that soak up with water and air freshener? Put them in the microwave and find out what the hell happens. Let's see. 30 seconds on high. One minute. Got some snap, crackling, and pop going. Minute and a half. Wait for it. Wait for it. Three minutes coming up in 3, 2, 1, 0. 2-minute countdown. Got some sparks. 1:30 to go. 3.5 minutes. Whoa, 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 whoa! 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 Fireworks, 4th of July, in the microwave. And we are done. Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Hot, hot. Still in shape. Couple of them. Guess I know which ones went zzz, zzz, zzz. Glad it wasn't my microwave.